boys. Roll 'em. Whoa, it's time for a cartoon.
Tell us a good one, Milford. That's a pip, Milford.
Now blow out the candles. Go raise the window shade, Pa. Now cut the cake. Where's Milford? There they go, Pa. Tain't right Milford should pig roast on his happy birthday. Go fetch him, Pa.
How's that again? That's mighty fine ticking, Ma.
Tick, 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 tick.
I suppose.
Tick, 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 tick,
Huh? Stop ticking, Ma. It didn't work.
Fly right in through the chimney, Pa.
I'll swoop down on them like an eagle, Ma. Didn't work, Ma. Hey, Ma, Milford's back. I'll tell Ma it didn't work, Milford.
Before you go into the oven, a dash of pepper. Gesundheit. Parsley here, parsley there, a few decorations and spots that are bare. La 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 la. Figaros, Figaros. La 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 la.
You're welcome, Milford.
How do I know you weigh a 6 7/8 higher?
Eh? Well, all right, I'll show you. Throw Milford to me, Ma.
It didn't work.
How's your roasting, Peg?
We done all we could, Ma.